Howdy. I have been watching sulfur today on windy. There's a bigger cloud of sulfur coming from the Americas towards Europe. I have no idea where it's originating. Maybe Kamchatka, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it's the wildfires. Maybe not. But there is a huge plume of sulfur dioxide approaching Europe. The thing is, I made at least two videos where I have been warning people about a possible earthquake upcoming. I couldn't say any time, it's in 3 days at 4 o'clock. There will be an earthquake. Nothing like that. I just warned the region. And it seems that those forecasts I have talked about, Turkey was one. There has been this ominous cloud. The other one was Morocco. It took about 5 months from the Morocco earthquake warning until there actually something happened. It didn't took that long in Turkey. And also the exact places are not really known. I think it's more or less due to a lack of data. And we are watching now the CO2 spreading in Europe. And let's just stop it here because it looks nice. We are off coast of Spain or Portugal. Maybe both. And there is this vortex forming, and there has been many times in recent weeks bad weather at this exact same location. And it seems to be offshore, it's not on land. Obviously, it's somewhere here. So I went to check out if there's anything out there. And let's take the easiest route in order to check it out. Yes, there is. There is something in the sea. There's another interesting feature here. There is no earthquakes or whatsoever at the moment. But there is something on the sea floor. A mountain, or mountains even, and some are blurred out. You cannot really see, they are blurred out. But I found that paper, Seamounts along the Iberian continental margins, 9 authors. Many people are involved in this paper. Because I tried to find some pictures. Seamounts are first-order morphological elements on continental margins and in oceanic domains, which have been extensively researched over recent decades in all branches of oceanography. First-order morphological elements. Yeah, it sounds rather active or new or... It's an interesting way to tell about these. Seamounts are morphological sea floor features characterized as isolated mountains or chains of successive heights with reliefs of at least 1,000 meters. But today there is a trend towards using this term for reliefs of heights up to 100 meters. So they are still debating about when you can call it a seamount or a sea hill or whatever. And we are talking about this region here. studied seamounts on this work. Let's go down here still. I took screenshots of these because here it's really not good navigatable. Galicia Continental margin. That's the thing. Where I think there could be going on something. Let's say in the next few months. I haven't read this whole article yet. I couldn't because I didn't have time. And the thing is, now let's just search another. Yes, now we are getting somewhere. Check these out. Yeah, they have flat tops. For those who are familiar with the electric universe, Billy Elberton's experiments in the laboratory, he was creating exactly these kinds of features with flat tops. Elongated mound, seamounts flanks, inner channel and ridges. The thing is, I have been talking about mountain water many times. About water pouring out of the mountains. So now we have those seamounts. And I'm pretty sure there are many seamounts all over the planet Earth where is fresh water pouring out. It might be even warm or hot. In other words, they are submarine cryptodomes. Volcanoes. I made videos of when they recently figured out that there are like so many more volcanoes buried in the sea than previously known. And many places they just figured out that there is like hot water coming out and fresh water and really saline water and whatever stuff. Everything you can imagine. And these kinds of seamounts are offshore of maybe Spain. Let's go back up to this one picture. Here. No, it's not this one. This is better. Galicia Continental margin. I don't know what could there go like be the thing. Is there just something brewing together and there would be some underwater mudslide or due to an earthquake or whatsoever? But the thing is, I also thought that I probably have to talk about this, which is not fear-mongering. Really not. I'm not fear-mongering. I'm just talking about the possibility. Because they seem, or this Galicia Continental marching seems to be a rather massive mountain range. And if there's something massive going on this massive mountain range which is underwater, it could create some kind of waves, which are also called tsunamis, which could propagate all over the Atlantic and smash into the Americas. Many people know about the La Palma scenario where half of the island would slide into the ocean and would create a huge, massive tsunami. But now, since a few weeks, I have been watching this region and there has been low pressure systems, one after the other. at the same place. So now we just have to hope that I am totally wrong and it is just a total coincidence that there is some weather occurrences happening at this exact location. And this seamount, there is nothing going on, it's just rock. There is no water pouring out whatsoever. And there is no earthquake coming, which could create any wave. And it was just a coincidence that there has been this kind of ominous weather patterns. At least to me, they have been ominous in recent times. But nonetheless, this could be one of the hotspots where some unexpected activity could take place. In the next few months, we are upon to experience the equinox and stuff like that. This also increases the earthquake activity. But if anything is going on here, let's say in a half a year, because it took 5 months for the Morocco quake. It just took a few weeks for the Turkey quake after I warned. So I have no idea how long it will take, if anything would happen. From today, I made this warning until the event, if there is any. So, I just feel that I really would like to share this with at least someone. That out here in the sea, off the coast, Spain, Portugal, there might be something going on. Hopefully not. But now it's set, and let's see if anything is going on. It might take some time, a few months. But nonetheless, that's a place to watch. Yeah, I think I leave it here. There would be a bunch of other things still, but yeah. Anyway, thanks.